What's good, my people? So we'll be looking at Friday's trade, and you'll notice that on Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday is kind of a very big consolidation, and mostly on the Thursday, the market just took out this low and consolidated at this range here without taking out any high or any low here, and the market just consolidated. It didn't even take out this low here, but consolidated at this zone. So I was expecting the market when the market had already done this move on a Thursday, so I was expecting the market to go down since there was a very nice relative equal low zone here and another one at this zone here. So there were two zones where I was looking at the market very keenly, and really dropping down, looking at the indicator where here on Friday, and you'll notice it had given out a nice signal early London session and on Friday here, a sell signal here where it wasn't violated anywhere to the lower side. So I was expecting this signal to hold. I was looking at this signal, in fact, letting it to hold, and it enabled me to take this sell move here, and dropping to the other chart and dropping to the 15 minutes time frame to see the context. You'll notice that where I usually love to trade on the end of the London session and the beginning of the New York session, which is around here, this area here. You'll notice it had a very minor retracement to the upside here, down here, and it had taken out this high here, but the signal was around here. So no, the signal was here, in fact here, around here. So I wouldn't expect the markets to reach there. So you'll notice that it has already taken here this high, and there was a nice retracement to the downward side, creating a market structure shift to the downward side, a confirmation of the market structure shift where it had already started at this area here, since you'll see that there's a bit of relative equal lows. So this is kind of a confirmation that the market is still breaking the lows down here, and the high that initiated this low is around here, where you'll see the market had nearly come the top here. So the high of this day is still here, and the area where I was looking at the signal is around here. So I was looking if the market could have taken out this high here. I was expecting some buys if the market would have taken out this high here. So when the market did this and failed to take out this high here at the area around the open of the New York session, when the New York session was starting, the market rallied down, then started rallying up, but failed to take out that high here. I dropped down the 5-minute time frame, looked at the market, and my entry was around here, down here, where I realized that the market wasn't going up. It was a very small total soup here, since it wasn't clear at this area here. I wasn't clear that the market was going to go down. So immediately when this move was happening, I had my entry at this area here, a nice short entry. This is where your experience in the market gives you an edge on trading this kind of moves. Your entries can't be that perfect every time. In my experience while day trading, your entries can't be perfect at that time, but you should be able to minimize the losses that you incur in the market. Just don't risk a very large sum amount on trades like this, since they might turn against you. But I didn't risk more, but it also went in my favor, and my TP was focused at this area here and at the low of this market here where I had placed the TP. TP was here at the low of that market here, where I was expecting the market to reach. And as you can see, there was kinda even no drawdown, and the market just reached my take profit immediately after taking that trade. I wasn't expecting to take another trade that day, but that was the trade that was taken, given out by this signal here. This signal here, sell signal. I just had to ignore this since it was violated the downward side here. You'll see these two buy signals were violated to the downward side here, and you'll notice this buy signal also worked since it took out these relative equal highs. This buy signal worked. It was a correct signal if you could have taken this buy and taking out this high here. But for me, I was expecting lows. That's where I usually go. You can't trade all these signals, but you can use them as a context to enter into the trade. If you have an indicator, or if you have some trade, there's a lot of strategies, and each strategy is supported by the way you view the market. So you can't be there and trading all signals and expect to be profitable. You can just take and pick specific signals that work with your strategy well and use them to make your trades. With that, let us meet on the next video or next week and reviewing this indicator more and more. With that, let us meet on the next video. Goodbye.